Bitcoin Quarter 1 2025 forecast. Before we start, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNets, the world's leading retail brokerage firm offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look for a link in the description below. Bitcoin has had a stellar 2024. It's been one of the big stories in the financial markets as we have shot straight up in the air. Remember, when we started the year, Bitcoin was at about $40,000. It looks like it's going to close right around the $96,000 level. At one point, it had actually reached the $108,000 level before pulling back. That being said, I think we've got a situation where we are trying to find an equilibrium, and that's essentially where we're at New Year's Day. So when I look at this, I actually believe that sideways action makes a lot of sense. Not only does gravity need to be acknowledged, but we have the Trump administration coming in, which is much more friendly to crypto. But being friendly to crypto and actually doing something are two different things. So with this being said, I think, at least as things stand right now, I'm looking at about a $20,000 range between $90,000 and $110,000. If the market were to break down below $88,000, then I think it comes back to the $74,000 level, which was the breakout point later in the year. Even that would still be healthy. Regardless, I do think that 2025 itself will be a positive year for Bitcoin, but I think the first quarter might be a bit noisy. Longer term, Bitcoin investors and holders will probably use this as a time for accumulation. As things stand right now, that's my plan. I don't jump all in with a huge position. I buy little bits and pieces as we go along. This could look a lot like the consolidation that we had seen for so many months during 2024 because we need to see actual results. It's one thing for a crypto-friendly administration to take the White House. It's another thing for them to implicate crypto in your day-to-day life and implement any type of plans that make crypto easier to deal with. Longer term, I do think it goes higher. I think this is a market that will continue to be bought on dips. But again, I think the first couple of months of 2025 could be somewhat quieter than people are looking towards, at least from a technical analysis standpoint. Regardless, I have no interest in shorting. My name's Christopher Lewis. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more analysis.